भारत महान ये आज तक भारतीय ही बोलते आ रहे हैं, लेकिन अब तो विदेशियों की जुबान पर भी चढ़ गया है मेरा भारत महान और हो गए हैं वो सनातन के फैन। और ऐसा मैं क्यों कह रही हूँ, चलिए आपको इस वीडियो में बताते हैं। महाकुंभ का शुभारंभ हो चुका है। इसका श्रद्धालुओं को लंबे समय से इंतजार था। पौष पूर्णिमा के अवसर पर पहले दिन लगभग 1 करोड़ श्रद्धालु संगम स्नान करने आने वाले हैं। कड़ाके की ठंड में विदेशी भक्त का महाकुंभ को लेकर जुनून देखकर आप भी हैरान होने वाले हैं। एप्पल के को-फाउंडर स्टीव जॉब्स की पत्नी लॉरेन पॉवेल भी महाकुंभ पहुंची हैं। उन्होंने निरंजनी अखाड़े में अनुष्ठान कर कल्पवास की शुरुआत की। यहाँ तक कि महाकुंभ में रूस भक्त भी आई। उन्होंने कहा, मेरा भारत महान, भारत एक महान देश है। इस पवित्र स्थान की वाइब को महसूस कर मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो गए हैं। चलिए जानते हैं और कितने विदेशी भक्त महाकुंभ पहुंचे और उन्होंने क्या क्या कहा।
नमस्कार, हेलो, क्रिस्टीना इज हियर। आप कैसे हो? मेरा भारत महान. So I came from Russia, but I was flying from Vienna, from Austria, from Europe. I'm working and living in Europe, and India is just great. I mean, we came to Kumbh Mela first time in life, and this is a big Kumbh Mela, so we're very excited. It's like, you know, you see the real India, and the true power of India is there, people. And look around, it's thousands of people, and the vibe I cannot even transfer. I'm shaking because of the vibe of people, of holy place, of all the people who deep into holy Mama Ganga river. Thank you so much. I love India. Mera Bharat Mahan.
I'm basically grew up in Mysore and now living in Germany, and looking forward for 2 days of great excitement and spiritual experience in Kumbh. I mean, यहाँ रहेंगे कि बाहर रहेंगे, spirituality में is always good. मैं योगा भी प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ, बाहर रह के डेली प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ. So वैसे constant contact should be there, grounding should be there, and traveling towards inner self and knowing yourself should be there. So this is all we always keep practicing and.
Looking forward, very excited.
With whom you come?
With Jitesh and Raditya, my husband and my son.
And how was your experience in India, and how was your excitement?
Oh, very excited, and I always like coming here. It's very nice.
This is the biggest festival of Sanatan Hinduism, and how you know about this Mahakumbh?
It's from Jitesh that I know.
Been beautiful, it's so well organized, the streets are clean, the people are so friendly and happy, thousands and thousands of pilgrimage people just enjoying the beauty of the Kumbh Mela.
You have a beautiful tilak on your forehead. What
Yeah.
about this getup?
We practice Sanatana Dharma around the world. We have a Guru Paramahamsa Vishwananda, and we practice our Sanatana Dharma, we teach it,
So you
we spread it in the
believe
West.
in Hinduism?
Yeah.
How started your journey? How you start?
We landed on the 1st of January. We went up to Nainital, up to Dunagiri, all the way down to Varanasi, and now today we've come to take Snan with all the other pilgrims from around the world. You know, it's very beautiful.
So you all are from South Africa?
Cape Town.
I was in Kerala in 2019, but I haven't been to this part. It's very, very beautiful.
So how do you think about Mahakumbh?
It's very, very powerful. I'm very, very blessed to be going into the Ganges.
The main thing is today is Shahi Snan, so you will go to Yamuna Ji and take a dip?
Yes, for sure.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's why we came.
How was your experience about Mahakumbh?
It's been beautiful to come and see Gangama, Yamunama, Saraswati Ma.
You
It's a
also
blessing.
believe in Sanatan
Yeah.
Dharma? Okay, so how long you start practicing Sanatan?
6 years, 7 years.
Before 6 years you
Yeah.
are practicing Sanatan Dharma. What things admire you to become a Sanatani or become a Hindu?
The logic,
The logic.
it makes sense. There's the faith, but also there's no blind faith. It's beautiful.